Okay, how do you change the ink cartridge on the HP DeskJet 6940? This is the HP DeskJet, an inkjet printer, and when you power it up and you try to change the ink cartridge, there it is, and you got this thing in the way. So, and this thing in the way, there's no way to take out the ink cartridges. So what you do is power it down. Okay, so that's off. Okay, and then you grasp the ink cartridges firmly, and shove it across. And then you got this stupid problem here, which I already took it off in advance, but what you do is just pull it out, because it's completely useless. This stupid thing which I broke off. And that's how you change the ink. An HP printer. See, comes right out. Now you can change it at any time and not have this stupid thing blocking it. There's no, I don't know why the hell this thing is here. There's no instructions. You can't find it anywhere on the internet. So there you go. Alright, so that's how you change it, and you know, it still works. After yanking it out, it still works. See, nothing was broken. This comes out pretty easily. Alright, so remove that stupid useless thing. And it still prints out fine.